This is an awesome longboard, and I'm going to give you a preview of what to expect when you buy one. First, you can see there's this awesome graphic on the grip tape and the bottom, and it comes with soft 70mm wheels with ABEC 9 bearings. The deck is made out of 8-ply maple, which is pretty strong, but it's also lots of flexi for a comfortable ride. The trucks are loose for making tight turns, but you can tighten them up. And it can handle up to 250 pounds. It's a longboard, so it doesn't have a kicktail, but you can totally pop it up from the ground. Plus, it's really easy to reposition like this. It rides the same both forwards and backwards, so you can flip it around no problem. And the whole thing's only 7 pounds, so it's really agile. It's really easy to kick it up and take it with you anywhere. There's a slight concave to the deck, which helps your feet to grip the board and take tight turns without feeling like you're gonna fall off. The trucks are drop through, so the ground clearance is only 4 inches, which gets you really close and makes it super easy to push. The whole ride is smooth and easy and really stable. Going over bumps and curbs is really easy too, so it's an overall awesome riding experience. I hope that this preview helped you out.